we are going to see how to make two different types of Kondakadla Sundal. One with masala and other plain with coconut. Now let's look at the ingredients. Soak the black chana for 6 to 8 hours. After soaking, add salt. Boil the black chana in pressure cooker. Give it 5 to 6 whistles. Now take a pan, add some cooking oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then half teaspoon of urad dal, 2 small chopped chilies, some fresh curry leaves and half teaspoon of hing and saute well. Now add the boiled chana to this and mix well. Add salt. Now take this chana into 2 containers. To one, add half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of jeera powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Now garnish it with grated carrot. To the second portion, add grated coconut. Voila! Our two types of Kondakadla Sundal is now ready.